இல்லை. கவி பாடி உன்னை அழைக்க திறனில்லை. அம்மா கவி பாடி உன்னை அழைக்க திறனில்லை. உன்னை அழைக்க திறனில்லை. அம்மா கன்னி தமிழில் அந்த குமர குருவை போல கன்னி தமிழில் அந்த குமர குருவை போல கவி பாடி அழைக்க திறனில்லை. திறனில்லை. அம்மா திறனில்லை. புவி போற்றும் கவியரசன் கம்பரில்லை. நான் புவி போற்றும் கவியரசன் கம்பரில்லை. நான் புவி போற்றும் கவியரசன் கம்பரில்லை. திருப்புகழ் பாடும் அருணகிரி நாதன் இல்லை. புகழ் பாடும் அருணகிரி நாதன் இல்லை. பருந்திக்கு பெயர் கொண்ட கூத்தனில்லை. பரணிக்கு பெயர் கொண்ட கூத்தனில்லை. இரு வரிகளில் குரல் அமைத்த வள்ளுவன் இல்லை. இரு வரிகளில் குரல் அமைத்த வள்ளுவன் இல்லை. கவி பாடி உன்னை அழைக்க திறனில்லை. கண்டதே காட்சி கொண்டதே கோலம். கண்டதே காட்சி கொண்டதே கோலம் என்று சுழன்று வரும் வையத்திடை. என்று சுழன்று வரும் வையத்திடை கொண்டு நான் இருக்கையில் உழன்று கொண்டு நான் இருக்கையில் கண்டு கொள்ளாததேனோ. கொண்டு நான் இருக்கையில் கண்டு கொள்ளாததேனோ. கொண்டு நான் இருக்கையில் கண்டு கொள்ளாததேனோ. உண்டு எனதருள் என்று நீ புகழ்கிறாய். உண்டு எனதருள் என்று புகழ்கிறாய். கவி பாடி உன்னை அழைக்க திறனில்லை. அம்மா கன்னி தமிழில் அந்த குமர கவி பாடி அழைக்க திறனில்லை. அம்மா திறனில்லை. அம்மா திறனில்லை. பூரணமாகவே பல்வகை மணியாரோ. பூரணமாகவே பல்வகை மணியாரோ. புதுமலர் மாலையுடன் புன்சிரிப்புடன். புதுமலர் மாலையுடன் புன்சிரிப்புடன். பூரண கல்யாண வைபவம் தோரண பல்வகை Good. Very good.
Hello. That was an absolutely fantastic performance, and we are honored to have you, Sri G.S. Mani sir, Srirangam Kannan, Arvindji, and Gopal, of course. This was a great, fantastic experience for all of us as a young group that we started here in Pleasanton just 2 months back. We hope to grow in the future and of course have a lot more of these experiences. Just I forgot to introduce Arvindji and Gopal. Arvind Lakshmikantan was raised in a family steeped in tradition and cultural values. Arvind was introduced to music very early in his life. At a very young age, he came under the tutelage of Srimati Lalgudi Srimati Brahmanandam, sister of Sri Lalgudi G. Jayaraman. Arvind spent several years undergoing intense training on the violin under his guru. It was during this time that he developed a deeper appreciation of the nuances of Carnatic music. Through devotion and meticulous practice, Arvind gained expertise in raga elaboration, rendition of composition of great composers, and in providing skillful accompaniment. His music is marked by the essence of classical Carnatic music and is highlighted by purity, vast imagination, and outstanding clarity. He started performing in the mid-80s, soon after accompanying leading musicians in Chennai. Having performed extensively in India and in several cities in the US, he is an accomplished soloist and has accompanied several acclaimed musicians in leading music sabhas in South India. A round of applause for Arvindji.
Arvind, இல்லையா? number சொல்லு. number. 738.
சோனியா எங்கப்பா சரிப்பட்டா
Thank you.
சர்டிஃபிகேட் தான்
Next, I would like to also give a bio for Gopal. Gopal is my brother's son, of course. Also, he has been under the tutelage of Sri Ravindra Bharati Sridharan for the past 10 years. In addition, he has attended several special sessions with Sri Neyveli Narayanan. Gopal has been sought after accompanist for various musical schools in Bay Area and has been performing regularly in Chennai for the past couple of years. He has also been an active performer in his guru Ravindra Bharati School, Madhopasana Academy of Fine Arts. He has won several prizes in competitions conducted in the Bay Area, Chicago, and Cleveland. In 2009, he had his Mridangam Arangetram accompanying Vidwan Sri Delhi P. Sundarajan on vocal, and Vidwan Sri Vittal Ramamurthy on the violin, and Vidwan Sri A. Mahadevan on the morsing. Gopal is a senior at Irvington High in Fremont. Take an applause for Gopal. So I'd like to honor our chief visiting artist from Sri Madurai Sri G.S. Mani.
Thank you, ma. Thanks.
I'd like to honor Srirangam Kannan for visiting artist from Chennai. I'd like to present a certificate for our Bay Area artists. Of course, we expect them to be here often. We will definitely be wishing to see them more and more as we go along. Thank you so much, Arvindji and Gopal.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, and thanks once again for coming out. Thank you.
Anyway, I'm thankful to you. But in this San Jose, Pleasanton, very many South Indian families must be here. Not for my program, but I would expect them, request them to attend the future programs. And the time is absolutely convenient. After all, Saturday afternoon, they could find some couple of hours to spend. Only to promote the culture. The cultural events are here, and the artists who have practiced, labored, strained for so many years, they come and here perform before you. And it is for you to encourage them, give up all your appreciation and all that. They come all the way from India. And from your house it won't take more than half an hour at an average. Please inform your friends and other who are living close by. There's a small boy playing Brahmi up here. He has practiced for so many years. That too here. I'm very happy to see the standard that his teacher has taught him. And it is for us to encourage such youngsters, and of course you have to enjoy very good music that is available whenever touring artists come over here. There must be good response. Especially this is a Sai temple. Amazing it is. Here I see, the other day I went to the other temple, which is very big. But this is equally very elegant and very, I could say, very cozy and self-contained. And this hall is a very good hall. And I want people to take the blessings of Sainath. Now, I need not carry coals to new castles. You do not know the mighty spiritual structure of our Sai Baba. I need not tell you, you know it. Please build it up well. And build this cultural wing of this temple. And Dr. Ramakrishnan is taking a lot of interest with your cooperation. But I would very much love to see, even as a fellow sitting on the floor, that the whole hall is crowded for some other program. Thank you very much.